In this video, we will show you how to download ParentVUE on Android and iPhone. On Android, you want to navigate to Google Play Store. Once you're on Google Play Store, go to the search bar and type ParentVUE. Once you have found ParentVUE, you can even click on EduPoint Education Systems to see all of their apps. Click ParentVUE and click Install. Once installed, open it and it will say Welcome to ParentVUE. You want to find your school's district, so type in your zip code and click District Events. Once found, click on your school name and click OK. Then you'll be prompted to a screen to log in or activate or create an account. On iPhone, it's going to be a similar process. Scroll over, find App Store. Once you find App Store, click it to open it, and then hit the search bar in the bottom right of the screen. You want to click on the top of the search bar and type in ParentVUE. You will see ParentVUE on here. You can also, just like on Android, click EduPoint Educational Systems to look at all their other applications. Click Get to install.